So today I'm going to talk about first-time home buying, or if you're a buyer that hasn't bought in the past 3 years, you're considered a first-time home buyer at that point. And the common question I get is, how much do I qualify for? Or how much money do you need to buy a home? The great thing is that you don't need a massive amount of money. And depending on the loan program, you can qualify for a 3% down. Sometimes we even have our down payment assistance programs that can help with that as well. Now, if you're VA, that is 0% down, just need closing costs, and FHA is 3.5% down. So let's break that down a little bit. On a $400,000 house at 3%, you only need $12,000 down. That's less than what people expect. And there also is down payment assistance programs that can help with that, and sometimes you have zero out of pocket. And your qualifications, it's based on your income, your credit score, and your debts. Most lenders look for a credit score between 580 and 620. So if you're around that credit score, give us a call. But every situation is different, so don't count yourself out. So before you start house hunting, you definitely want to get pre-approved. This is going to show the seller that you're serious, especially if you find a home that you like and you want to put an offer right away. We'll help you get pre-approved so you know what your budget is and what your monthly payments are going to be. And it's also going to give you the confidence to make offers right away. So if you're renting or wanting to know what the right time is, let's find out what you're qualified for. We are in the season right now of a buyer's market, so every dollar amount counts. And we can help you and put programs together for you. We can mix and match. We can kind of see exactly what you need to come out of pocket. And that way you know where you're headed as far as purchasing a home. So my information is down below. Give us a comment. We can get you some more information on first-time home buyers. We can send you a flyer. Put your email down and we'll get that information out to you, and you guys have a blessed day.